In today's video, I'm going to show you Verizon versus AT&T vertical bar best cell phone provider. When it comes to sheer coverage, especially in rural or remote areas, Verizon typically leads the pack. Its 4-gram LTE network reaches more corners of the country, offering more consistent signal in places where AT&T might struggle. Reports from RootMetrics and OpenSignal place Verizon ahead in both overall performance and reliability across wide territories. As you can see in here, essentially, if you're traveling outside major cities, Verizon gives you a better chance of staying connected. But AT&T is no slouch. It's been aggressively expanding its 5-gram network, covering more people with next generation service. In fact, AT&T's reach in 5-gram now exceeds Verizon's substantially, meaning in many areas you'll access faster, low latency data more often than with Verizon. On speed and performance, especially in dense urban zones, there is nuance. Verizon shines in consistent, reliable video streaming and gaming experience, while AT&T can outperform with higher average speeds in areas where its 5-gram deployment is stronger. User experiences echo this. Some people notice faster mobile speeds on AT&T in urban setups, while others swear by Verizon's snappy responsiveness, even citing less congestion in their area. Pricing and plan perks also play a role. AT&T tends to offer more affordable unlimited options and better hotspot data allowances. It even occasionally includes streaming features like HBO Max on premium plans. Verizon, while often pricier, compensates with perks such as half price or free subscriptions to Disney Plus, Netflix, Apple One, and others. Their My Plan family setups are flexible and even come with long-term price locks. What about recent trends? AT&T's Q1 2025 results show they're gaining customers likely drawn by budget-friendly plans while Verizon faced more post-paid losses. On the downside, both providers have recently raised fees, Verizon increasing activation charges and cutting loyalty discounts. AT&T adding $5.10 to some older plans. To sum it all up, Verizon remains the go-to for dependable coverage, especially in rural areas. AT&T leads in 5-gram reach and may offer better value if you're mindful of budgets or need generous hotspot or streaming perks. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.